thought it might be helpful to talk through how to answer the first question on the wave equation calculation sheet that you've got as part of this week's work. So I'm going to go through question 1, which is about the wavelength of a radio signal on an old long-wave broadcasting band. Pause the video now just so you have a chance to read it. Okay, so we are told the key information is that we've got a wavelength of 33 kilometers. We're looking for the frequency and we want our answer to two significant figures. We're going to answer this by following down the C wires up method. If you can't remember what that stands for, back on the very first sheet, it goes through what each of the parts is. So the C is convert. I want to convert 33 kilometers into meters. Again, if I can't remember how to convert kilometers to meters, back on the first sheet there's a very helpful table. I've highlighted the one we're looking at here. K stands for kilometers or kilo or anything, and that's times 10 to the 3. So I'm going to have 33 times 10 to the 3 meters. I then need to write out the equation for W. That's already been done for you. Wave speed equals frequency times wavelength. And I then need to plug my numbers in. Now my wave speed will always be 3 times 10 to the 8 meters for these questions, because all forms of electromagnetic radiation, all forms of electromagnetic waves travel at that speed in air or in a vacuum. So we're always going to expect that to be the number we're plugging in when we're looking at radio waves, light waves, any kind of electromagnetic wave. We worked out in the line above that my wavelength is going to be 33 times 10 to the 3. So I plug that in. R stands for rearrange, so we want to rearrange that to be 3.0 times 10 to the 8 divided by 33 times 10 to the 3 to give me my frequency. E stands for evaluate, so that's going to come out at 9090.9 if you plug that into your calculator. Then the final bits, S stands for significant figures. Well, this should be given to two significant figures. So one significant figure, two significant figure, I'm going to divide it down there. My 9 is bigger than 5, so that's going to be 9100 to two significant figures. U stands for units, and my units there for frequency are going to be hertz. And then, is it plausible? Well, unfortunately, you've probably got no real idea what a typical frequency of a radio wave is, but 9.1 kilohertz, 9100 hertz is a sensible number.